1979 was turning into 1980 when the children of British immigrants mixed the Caribbean sounds of ska and reggae with the local funk music, and a whole new sound was born. But none of Edmonton's our sound machine was even born then. This whole scene happened 10 years before you were born. How did you come across this stuff?
Honestly, like, my dad taught me some old music, and I used to be all into the rock and roll. I had the long hair, and started showing me some new waves, some Clash. Fell in love with the Clash, you know, Specials, Madness, everything like that, and just it all evolved from there.
You're stuck on a desert island, and you only got one album ever to listen to.
I'm stuck on the desert island. I have to listen to Legend by Bob Marley. As much as that's cliche, I need it. I need it in my life. That's what I want.
Moral of the story? Quite simple, really. One era always leads to another. This is Crash Cameron with the Edmonton Sun.